The Spirit of Ecstasy integration is perfect in the hologram.
But the physical sketch captures the texture better.
We need to ensure the milling precision is reflected in the final render.